Hi guys, I am here in Castlewood Canyon Park in Parker, Colorado. This is absolutely amazing. What a beautiful day. It's absolutely, there's like super sunny skies and I'm here. I'm gonna go for a hike. It's something that I absolutely love. I love nature. It keeps me grounded. It gives me that spiritual growth that I feel I need. It's no longer cold, so I'm gonna enjoy it and I'm gonna have healthy snacks and I'm gonna take you on my hike. That way you guys can see all these beautiful scenic views that are here. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I do that help me create that healthy, like mental wellness feel that I feel that everyone needs, especially when you're alone, because you get to reflect on yourself. It's so fulfilling for your inner peace. So let's go hiking and let's go have fun. All right, so I'm doing a 2.2-mile loop around this whole hike, and it's all surrounded by these incredible rocks here in Colorado. And now look at this. This is amazing. It feels like a little cave. Watch your step. All right, so I'm turning here. We're going down to a creek that I can cross to 3 rocks, and there I'm gonna have a little space where I can just open up my journal and write and just put my thoughts into writing. Let's go. Look at this cute little bridge with a little creek. Adorable. This is amazing. Nothing better than being out in the nature and just breathing this. This is therapy. So this is actually one of my favorite spots to write on my gratitude journal. I just kind of write down things that I'm grateful for. I reflect on the times that I was detoxing through alcohol and just going on my journey of recovery. And this was one of my favorite hikes that I enjoyed. So now we're gonna go ahead and keep on going. There's another little section that I wanna show you guys that I typically have my healthy snacks. When I go hiking, absolutely, I carry my 64 ounces of water in here and snacks. And let's go, let me show you. Take a look at this rock. I wanna be able to climb up there. All right, so I just sat here. I love to sit here because I love to be close to the water, and a huge wasp just flew by me. But anyway, I love to sit around when I'm hiking and just bringing my healthy snacks, which you could do. Skinny popcorn. I also have nuts with cheese. If you're wanting to do a hike alone, go out there, do it. Take the things that you need, and I guarantee you, you're gonna feel really good. You're gonna feel so much in tune with yourself. I mean, this is great for your mental health. And then listening to those birds chirping is like, so especially being a mom, I think one of the things that helps me keep grounded and just keep reflecting on the things that I could do better as a mom, the things that maybe I should be focusing on. When I'm here, I really do a lot of thinking around that. And I think us moms, especially as we get so busy with all the chores that we have to do as a mom, as a wife, this is your time. This is your time to really reflect on you. And I get to think about, what are things that I could do moving forward that could make me a better mom. Makes you think and makes you build a roadmap. It just makes you really just get in tune with yourself, especially us moms. We get busy and we have so much to do. We have so many different chores and so many people that we have to be always attending, whether it's a husband, boyfriend, employer, kids. This is gonna give you your time to reflect on you. And what better place than to be out in the nature? And what better way to do another type of exercise, workout, than hike? I mean, this is it. Great way to get all your steps, workout, and enjoy the scenery. And it breaks the routine from always going to the gym or working out indoors. This is a great way to be outside, get sun. Woo, love it. So one of the things that I've learned is that living a healthy lifestyle, the mental is just as important as taking care of your physical. It's actually very important. So always make sure that you're taking care of your mental health. That's huge, that's priority. And it doesn't have to require much. It requires just being outside, being out in the sun, and being out in nature. It just brings a ton of joy, and it just will definitely help you mentally and spiritually. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you found this valuable. And if you did, click and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of this.